Hello everyone, myself Dr. Khyati Vora, consulting homeopath and dietitian from Rajkot. As you all know, monsoon season is on its peak, so there are many cases coming up like frequent cold and cough, fever, body ache, sinusitis, rhinitis, frequent sneezing, especially in the morning, many allergies, asthmatic attacks, etc. So, all such problems are frequently created due to our weak immune system. Homeopathic medicine works very well on our immune system. It increases immunity naturally. So, if you are suffering from all such problems frequently, you should take homeopathic medicine as it increases our immune system and it gives complete cure. So, if you are suffering from any such problems, you can consult me below number. You can contact me, and online, offline, both consultations are available. Thank you.